Good job. And she stopped. She was cleaning her feet too. She just passed now, didn't she? There, she's cleaning her little toes again. Okay, so these kitties, they've all got formula all over their heads because, hi, sweetheart. Hi. They have little milk mouths from not swallowing all their milk, just have a little bit of milk left on their mouth, and then there's just little snuggle bugs. They go and snuggle into their little brothers and sisters, and they get milk all over their heads. Spiky. She's got spiky hair. Yeah. This one keeps trying to escape on me. No, baby. No, baby, not yet. Not yet. Give me a few more days. Okay, so I'm having a hard time getting them to poop. They've gone a little for me, and then I got one little girl to go a lot, and it was really hard, and it was just too firm and thick for kitty cats their age. So I think they're probably a little constipated, which is normal when they don't have a mommy taking care of them. Hi, sweetheart. Alright, come here. Come crawl on me. I'll let ya. Let me try to see her face. It's so hard to photograph black cats. Some pieces. Oh, aren't you guys cute? Aren't you guys cute? I don't know if they're intending to play with each other. I think they're just trying to crawl all over each other right now. I don't think they're actually playing with each other. This little girl's rooting around on me, trying to... She thinks she can find something up here, but not there. No, it's not there. Okay, so these guys they're doing pretty well. We're trying to get into a rhythm of, feed, so that I can feed all of them at the same time. And they don't all want to eat the same amount the same time and everything. So we're just going to have to keep working on that, and I will clean their little heads off. Yeah. We've got a couple that keep trying to escape and crawl out of the box, out of their little bed. I have to carry her together, and their heating pad and all that. So we're gonna have to work on getting all of them to eat at the same time. That would be very helpful for the foster mommy. And getting them to poop. They're peeing really well. I just think they're a little constipated. Hi. Hi, cutie pie. Yes. Sweetheart. No, you're doing it again. She's trying to escape again. So I will try to get this loaded pretty quickly. I'm still within the 12, well no, it's a bit longer than 12 hours. I'm still within the first 24 hours since I got these little guys. So I'll try to actually upload their unboxing, litter number 21. I think we're up to 98 kittens now that we've taken into foster. So that's kind of, it's just mind-boggling, really. It's cool, but it's crazy. It's just crazy. So this is litter number 21. We don't have any names or anything yet. We haven't picked out a theme or anything like that. They're kind of keeping me on my toes. They're eating a lot since they won't all eat at the same time. I'm just constantly feeding and peeing and pooping. So I'll try to get this uploaded to our channel pretty quickly. And as always, you'll be able to find current updates on Instagram and Facebook because I'm always behind on YouTube. Right now it is October 6th or 7th. So just for reference, if you're watching this video in 2018, this is an old video. Hey, babies. Hi, babies. Hi. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Say bye-bye.